2.5 minutes to the gentleman from Wisconsin.
The gentleman is recognized for 2.5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I rise today in opposition to the Congressional Progressive Caucus substitute budget. One of the concerns I have, and as an American citizen and small business owner for 30 years, is this document right here. This is the Internal Revenue Code. It is 9,959 pages long. This plan that is offered up today will add hundreds, if not thousands, of pages of additional complexity. Recently, we all heard about a large U.S. corporation that had billions of dollars in profits and paid zero taxes. Mr. Chairman, the reason they were able to do that is because their attorneys knew what was in and buried in this document. Do we really need to make it more complicated and more complex? I think not. I also oppose this because they talk about the benefits to lower-income Americans, and yet by removing the 2001 and 2000 tax credits and tax rates and returning them to their previous levels, you will increase taxes on the poorest Americans from 10% to 15%, a full 50% increase in their tax rates. And on top of it, small business owners will see their tax rates go to 45%. 45%. Now think of the small business owner in northeast Wisconsin who will also pay an 8% state income tax, will pay a 5 or 6% sales tax, will pay 50 cents a gallon gasoline tax, will pay property tax, will pay FICA tax, will pay Social Security tax. I'm beginning to wonder if all they will do in their life is pay taxes. I urge my colleagues to reject this proposal, and I yield back the remainder of my time.
The gentleman yields back the remainder of his time. Gentleman from Arizona.
If I may, I'd like to yield 10 seconds to the gentleman from Wisconsin for a simple inquiry. As part of the fairness in our tax code, I'd like to ask, is it fair that, let's say, Warren Buffett should pay a lower income tax rate than his receptionist? Is that fairness in our tax?
I would concur that it's not fair.
The gentleman's time has expired.